Hi friends, this is Amol Bhaur from Vidisha Infotech. In this video, I am going to share my success story on YouTube. Across YouTube, I came to know about Tubebuddy. I liked it, installed it, and followed its instructions. And say, I got 5 subscribers and almost 700 views in 28 days. Tubebuddy is a very good tool which can help boost up your YouTube channel. It has some very good features and tools just like YouTube Studio. It integrates with our channel dashboard and helps us with its amazing tools like dashboard, video, live streaming, playlists, analytics, and so on. Its extension tools like Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, then Video Topic Planner, Tagline, Best Time to Publish, Click Magnet are very good, which helps YouTubers make their video perfect to be published. Then coming to the website tools, say Launchpad, Health Reports, Brand Alerts, A/B tests, then canned responses, then promo materials, and finally the rank tracking that helps us to analyze our video performance, correct its mistakes, and grow and publish a perfect YouTube video. So, Tubebuddy has 3 types of subscriptions. That is, one is Pro, second is Star, and third is Legend. I prefer Pro for the beginners, those who have just opened their YouTube channel. I strongly recommend them to make full use of Tubebuddy. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.